Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay on Goat. So let's get into the video. So open up the Goat app. So once you've opened up the Goat app and if you have an account you can log in. So just add any item to your cart. So for example, I'll just add this so that I can get to the checkout page. So I'll just add this to my cart. So when I add it to my cart here, so you get to your checkout page here where you can add your payment method. So if you click on your add payment method, so here this will display all the payment methods available depending on your location and region. So according to my location region, so I do not have Apple Pay, and as I'm not using an iPhone as well. So if you want to use Apple Pay, so you should see the option of Apple Pay instead of Google Pay here. So I have the option of Google Pay depending because of my location and device. And if your location supports Apple Pay and you have the appropriate device, then you should be able to select the Apple Pay option instead of the Google Pay. And then just once you have selected that, then all you have to do is just click it and then continue with your purchase and then complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. So this all depends on, as I said earlier, depending on your region and your device. So hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.